Welcome to the pesticide review with Bangzeon. You've already seen the Pesticide Magic 8 Pro, and now we're going to do a simple unboxing of it. For instance, I possess the golden variant of the Magic 8, and I'm able to bring out my Pro version, which is uniquely the sole one that can be unlocked in the color blue. This is truly remarkable. Let's observe the genuine appearance of this phone collectively. Upon initially observing this particular color, I found myself somewhat taken aback. Let's set this aside for now and take a look at its accessories. One thing people are quite interested in is its protective case. Once you see the case, you'll know the structure of its camera module. The moment I got it in my hands, I was somewhat surprised because it's a clear case. It possesses a textured camera module, and the instant I grasped the actual device, I found myself somewhat puzzled. Isn't this Moonshadow Grey? I am quite surprised. Why did such a successful color vanish? I did not anticipate that they merely added a touch of cyan to the Moonshadow Grey. It transforms into a novel color scheme. Personally, I perceive that the IC Light component is significantly more comfortable compared to the Mix 7 Pro. The transition between the two is executed more effectively, enhancing the comfort of holding it. After adding the protective case, the frame feels a bit straight, affecting the grip. It somewhat reminds me of a bar phone, so you might think about getting a new one later. Let's check the weight for everyone. With the case, it weighs about 243 grams. Let's take off the protective case and weigh the smartphone once more. 222.7 grams. Isn't this exactly the same as the Mate 97 Pro? Oh my, I can't believe it. Let's get the Mate 97 Pro and measure it right away. Indeed, the weight of both is exactly the same, which is quite surprising. What you see before you now is the true appearance of the Match 8 Pro. On the side there is also a multifunctional button, and the camera module is noticeably larger, with engraved craftsmanship on the edges. The large camera module is truly impressive. As for the texture on the back of the device, I personally think it looks better than the 7P. In terms of curvature, I personally feel that its curvature is smaller than the 7P, closer to a flat screen. The front appearance of the device is still quite outstanding. Let me share my personal experience here. The moment you hold it, you can indeed feel that its grip is better than the 7P. Although it also has a flat edge, its transition is curved, unlike the straight edge of the 7P. However, its curvature is lower than that of the 7P, so its gesture operations are not as smooth as the 7P. Moreover, you might not have noticed that its size is actually a whole lot smaller than the 7P. Therefore, the overall grip has been significantly enhanced. To summarize, there haven't been any substantial changes in the design. From an ergonomic perspective, it has indeed become noticeably superior this time, whether in terms of grip or overall tactile feel. Next, I will provide you with a detailed and comprehensive review, so please stay tuned. Today's video ends here. Bye bye.